Hi guys, today I want to talk about Zamifolia propagation, which is one of the greatest low light indoor plants somebody can have. Zamifolia plant is almost as easy to propagate as succulents are. Stay with me to end. Okay guys, here you see well-established shoot and new shoot coming up with new growth. Propagation is very easy and there are several different ways you can do that, and I'm gonna show you greenhouse owners how to propagate Zamifolia. First one, I will cut off Zamifolia shoots from here. Cut shoots that have completely black leaves. Don't use shoots that are leaves not completely black and are green yet. You can propagate Zamifolia from stem or leaves or both of them. We cut leaves with a little stem and culture them in cocoa peat and pellet mixture. Place them where isn't cold at all. We place them here, not on the floor, because floor is cold a little. Now I want to introduce the best fertilizer program for Zamifolia cuttings. The first irrigation should be done 3 days after propagation with fungicide. Read the instruction of the back of fungicide package carefully. For example, instruction of this fungicide tell us mix 1 gram of this fungicide in 1 liter water. If you have a 15 liter container like this, you have 15 gram fungicide in it. 2 hours after we use amino acid, it makes your plant will grow faster than average due to less energy used from photosynthesis, or to mitigate the damage caused by external factors such as water, stress, heat, cold, and sudden changes in temperature. 4 days later, we give plants amino acid again. We give amino acid to Zamifolia cuttings 4 times with an interval of 4 days. Then we fertilize Zamifolia cuttings by 12-12-36 fertilizer about 8 weeks. This program is effective if the temperature difference between day and night is not large. We are in 3 weeks after propagation. You see all the Zamifolia cuttings are healthy, so come on to see how our Zamifolia tuber. Thank you guys for watching me. Have a great day. Bye.